In this video, I will be showing you how to remove a green screen and replace it with a beautiful background image for your video. But before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to this channel and turn on notifications to watch my videos every week. To get started, I added a green screen video on my timeline. First of all, you got to select your video and move your video to one layer above in your sequence panel. And then you head over to FX panel and search for the Ultra Key effect. You drag and drop the Ultra Key effect onto your green screen video. Now head over to your effects control panel and search for the Ultra Key effect. Move on to the key color and click on the color box. Now select your eyedropper tool and click on the green screen so the green screen gets removed, and simply hit OK. Now you can see the green screen has been taken off from your background. Now let's say if you have not shot your video with good lighting, you can just head over to the matte generation and play around with these effects to have a better image for your background. The final step is to add your background image. Now to add your background image, you just got to go to your media browser or to your project. If you have imported the image or your video, you can just drag your background and drop it. There you can see the background has been added. Now you just simply got to make some adjustments to have it till the entire video. There you go, that's your green screen for this video. Make sure to leave a like in this video. Hope you benefited from this tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in next week's video.
Subscribe now, man. Come on.